Hello, Joe. It's Patrick. Coming to you from the lot of Ernie Von Sladorn on Main Street in Menominee Falls. What you're looking at right now is the beautiful chocolate brown Cascada with the cream interior, 20-inch rims, chrome and black. Beautiful vehicle, convertible with the nice rims and the Buick emblem in the middle of the hubcaps. This vehicle is equipped with a backup camera, touchscreen radio, heated seats, Bluetooth, voice command to change the radio station, and also OnStar. This vehicle is also equipped with remote start. You can start this vehicle up from a remote location. Also, you can start this vehicle up from using your smartphone. Very nice, well-equipped vehicle. I would love for you to be an owner of this vehicle. Joe, signing off from Ernie Von Sladorn, Main Street, Menominee Falls. Give me a call, Patrick Smith. Phone number 414-659-4196. You have a great day.